Hello everyone, I am Jyoti and welcome back to the video series for class 11 computer science. We are discussing the chapter getting started with Python, and in the previous video we have already discussed about variables, data types and some of the operators. So continuing the topic, let us start today's video. So in this video we are going to discuss about assignment operator. In the previous video, we have discussed about relational operators in which we were using double equal to symbol for comparing equality of two values or two variables. तो लास्ट के वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि हम डबल इक्वल टू यूज़ करते हैं जब हम दो वैल्यूज़ या दो वेरिएबल्स को इक्वालिटी के लिए कंपेयर करते हैं. तो नाउ देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन डबल इक्वल टू एंड सिंगल इक्वल टू, क्योंकि सिंगल इक्वल टू इज़ नोन एज असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स. मेक इट नोट बेटे, सिंगल इक्वल टू इज़ असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स एंड डबल इक्वल टू इज़ रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स. Double equal to is used for comparison between two values, while assignment operator is used to assign values from right side operands to left variable. So here you can see that this 12 will be assigned to x, and here you can see that this greetings value will be assigned to y. Okay, सो दिस इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. अगर हम कोई वैल्यू या कोई एक्सप्रेशन किसी वेरिएबल में असाइन करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स. नाउ वी आर हैविंग another important concepts in this particular chapter, that those are expression and statements. So basically when we are talking about expression, already we have seen various type of expression while calculating sum in maths. So we can say that expression is a combination of values, it means constants, variables and operators. तो हम ये जान सकते हैं कि एक्सप्रेशन का मतलब क्या होता है. एक्सप्रेशन कॉम्बिनेशन होता है जिसमें वैल्यूज़ होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं, बट जब इनको हम सॉल्व करते हैं हमें एक सिंगल वैल्यू ही मिलता है. ठीक है. अब जब मिक्स टाइप के एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल में दिखाया, जब मिक्स डेटा टाइप होते हैं तो हमें जो फाइनल रिजल्ट होता है वो हमें किस में मिलता है, हायर डेटा टाइप में मिलता है. प्रीवियस वीडियो में ही मैंने ये बताया था कि अगर हमारे पास मिक्स डेटा टाइप है, अगर इंटीजर और फ्लोट है तो रिजल्ट हमें मिलता है फ्लोट में, क्योंकि फ्लोट इज़ द हायर डेटा टाइप. So this is known as implicit type conversion या implicit type casting because it is done automatically. Now we can also change the data type, and how we can change the data type that I will discuss with you. But first let us discuss that how does Python decide the order of operations. So as we have discussed that expression is combination of operators, values, variables. Now if we are having multiple operators in the same expression, then how does Python decide the order of operation. अभी हमने इस वीडियो में ये डिस्कस किया कि एक्सप्रेशन में ऑपरेटर्स, वैल्यूज़, वेरिएबल्स के कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं. तो अगर एक ही एक्सप्रेशन में मल्टीपल ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं तो पाइथन किस तरह से ऑर्डर डिसाइड करता है, तो अभी हम यही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. तो बेसिकली ये जो ऑर्डर डिसाइड होता है वो डिसाइड होता है प्रेसिडेंस से. हायर प्रेसिडेंस ऑपरेटर इज़ वर्कड ऑन बिफोर लोअर प्रेसिडेंस ऑपरेटर. तो जिस ऑपरेटर की प्रेसिडेंस हायर है वो पहले एग्जीक्यूट करती है और जिसकी लोअर है वो बाद में एग्जीक्यूट करती है. आपने मैथ्स में भी ये पढ़ा होगा कि प्रेसिडेंस के बेसिस पे ही हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन होता है. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ द प्रेसिडेंस ऑफ ऑपरेटर. तो जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेसिडेंस होता है वो होता है एक्सपोनेंट की. लेकिन एक जो हमने यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा है, इफ़ एनी पैरेंथेसिस इज़ देयर, इफ़ एनी ब्रैकेट इज़ देयर, देन रिमेंबर दैट मस्ट बी इवेल्युएटेड फर्स्ट. अगर कोई ब्रैकेट है, अगर कोई पैरेंथेसिस है तो सबसे पहले वो ब्रैकेट या पैरेंथेसिस का इवेल्युएट होना ज़रूरी है. उसके बाद जैसे जैसे यहाँ पे टॉप टू डाउन लिखा हुआ है वैसे वैसे प्रेसिडेंस इसका घटता जाता है. So here we can see this is having the highest precedence, and here then it comes about unary plus and unary minus. Then we are having multiplication, division, modulus, then integer division, then addition, subtraction, then comparison operators are there, equality operators are there, and assignment operators and their logical operators are there. Now here you can see that plus and minus are having same precedence. So if we are having both plus and minus in single expression, then which will be executed first? So if you are having plus and minus in a single expression, then you have to start the execution from the left side to right side. Okay, so if any expression, if two operators are having the same precedence, then you have to start the execution from left side to right side. Okay, so let us discuss how this expression gets executed. Okay, so let me show you some of the examples. What are the precedence of operators? Okay, so let us take any mixed expression. Suppose here we are having 3 minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, now here we can see that plus and minus is having equal precedence, so we have to start from the left side. So if we will start moving from left side, first we have to execute the subtraction and then we have to perform the addition. So the result will be 2. Okay, what if we will write here 3 plus 2 minus 1? Then again plus and minus are having the same precedence, but we have to start from the left side to right side. So first addition will take place and then we have to perform subtraction, so it will give you 4. Okay, so that is the situation. If having equal precedence, then we have to start from the left side. Okay, and again if we are having mixed data type, then we will have the result in the form of higher data type. So here we can see that higher data type is float, so result will be 4.0. Okay, similarly if you will have multiplication, division, modulus and integer division in a single expression, then you have to follow from left side so to right side. Now if we are having any parenthesis, now let me give you this example. Okay, and if we are having this parenthesis, and now see, we are having one inner parenthesis and here we are having exponent operator. So as per this table, this is having the highest precedence, but since we are having inner parenthesis, so first this bracket must be executed. So first this should become 3, then we have to evaluate 3 to the power 3. Okay, so here we are having 27. Okay, any inner expression is there, then that should be evaluated first. Okay, now let me give you another example, and here we are having 4 plus 3. Okay, and minus 1. Can you expect what will be the output? So here this is having the higher priority, so this is going to execute first, so this will give you 3 to the power 2, so 9. Then multiplication is having the next higher priority, so 9 into 4 will give you 36. Then plus and minus both are having same precedence, but starting from the left side, we have to perform first addition and then we have to perform the subtraction. Okay, so it will give you 38, because 36 plus 3 will give you 39 and 39 minus 1 will give you 38. So in this order the operator will be executed. Okay, so similarly we are having logical operators also, so that will be also followed according to their precedence. So I hope this much will be clear to you, how in which order Python is going to execute their operators. So I hope this much is clear to all of you. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to share it, like it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.